Hi everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm unboxing the Helm Audio True Wireless 5.0 wireless earbuds. This is the second generation. It also has Qualcomm APTX licensed technology for better audio codec. Show you some details here. So it has auto pairing and auto charging. I tested this today with an iPhone and the auto pairing worked just as advertised. It also has very good noise isolation. I was in a place where there was music playing from speakers right above me, and this blocked out all of the noise. It's not active noise canceling, but it did isolate all the noise in the room. It has up to 6 to 8 hours of usage of play right here. It says 6 hours, but it's 6 to 8 depending on the volume you have, and up to 30 hours with the charging case. And now we'll go inside. Here we go. Here's the box and the charging case. Okay, so here it is. And the charging port is right here. This is micro USB. So we would have liked it to be USB-C, but micro USB will also work. So here's the left earbud, and you can see that it has a wing, so that really keeps it in the earbud, in the ear as well. And then this earbud piece comes off and you can replace it. There's multiple different replacement options in the box. We'll show you that. So they give you some documentation right here. Then they give you the charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable. And then here are the different earbuds. So they have an even smaller one than this. They have a large. So there's multiple different sizes. So as you can see, it's ready to go here. And even if you turn one of these off, let's say you're listening to something with both of them on at the same time, if this one runs out of juice, or if you want to just use one earbud, you can turn one of them off and the other one will keep playing uninterrupted. So we like that a lot. A lot of these wireless earbuds don't do that, but this one does. This is the new generation of Helm Audio earbuds, True Wireless 5.0, and we like them so far. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.